Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay, I am also fine. Okay, do you know what we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn something very interesting. Today we will learn about traffic signals, traffic lights. Have you seen traffic lights on the road? Yes, you must have seen. Okay, I will show you. See, have you seen these lights in the traffic signals? Yes, you must have seen. So, in the light signals, we have three traffic lights. On the top, there is red light. In the middle, yellow light. And at the bottom, green light. And do you know what does the red light means? Yes, I will tell you. When the red light is on, it means you have to stop there. You should not cross the road. Okay, you should not go. This means you have to stop. Red means to stop there. And when the yellow light is on, what does it mean? When the yellow light is on means you have to go slowly. Okay. And when the green light is on, what does it mean? When the green light is on in the traffic signals, you have to go. When the red light is on, you have to stop. When the middle light is on, you have to move slowly. And when the green light is on, you have to go. Okay, so you must have seen the traffic lights in the traffic signals. Yes? Okay. Now we will I will show you this. Have you seen this? This is zebra crossing. Have you seen zebra crossing? Yes, you all have seen zebra crossing, the black and white strips on the road. Have you seen? Yes, the black and white strips on the road. What does it mean? Mean that you should always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Okay, you should always use these strips on the roads, that what is called zebra crossing. You should always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned about traffic lights and zebra crossing. Traffic lights, can you tell me what does the red light means? When the red light is on, what does it mean? It means yes, you have to stop there. You should not move from there. And when the yellow light is on, you should move slowly. And when what happens when the green light burns? When the green light is on, you have to go. Yes. So now we will do rhymes on it. Okay. So say with me. Stop, says the red light. Stop, says the red light. Slow, says the yellow. Slow, says the yellow. Again. Stop, says the red light. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Go, says the green. Again. Stop, says the red light. Stop, says the red light. Green, says the. You have to go. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Slow, says the yellow light, blinking in between. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Yellow. Slow, says the yellow light, blinking in between. We must obey them, even the queen. We must obey them, even the queen. So we should obey these traffic lights, and we should always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Okay? Thank you. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. Bye. Thank you.